Well, my wife and I just got back from a 2-week vacation. We drove through Montana and Wyoming, and we got home just a few days ago. Now, I was excited about getting home because I had been fermenting a Hazy IPA during the whole time while we were gone. I got home, went ahead and added the dry hop to it, and in another day or so, I'll go ahead and transfer into the keg, and then we're going to try it. I'm going to share my recipe with you because, after all, if I did something good, I like to share. If it didn't come out so great, as you know, I'll share that too. So give me another day or so, get the transfer done, get the carbonation done, and then we'll do the taste test. All right, the beer's good to go. Let's grab a pint. We'll talk about what we got, and I'll share my recipe with you. Okay, the bottom line on the beer is that this is really good. Instead of going on and on about what's in it and all that, I'm going to go ahead and put my recipe right after this little narrative here, and you can take a look. Keep in mind, I brew for 8 gallons. Also, I'm going to include the BeerMaverick hop tool that I use to kind of help get some ideas around how these hop flavors would go together. The beer originally had a kind of more of an orange flavor to it, really good, and now it's kind of more back in those subtle, I dare say, tropical fruit kinds of things you hear about. Terms like papayas. I've never had a papaya, but I think I know it must be pretty good. So anyway, it's a fun beer using slightly different hops. Give it a shot and see what happens. Cheers now.